What's up, you guys? I'm Muhammad. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna teach you guys this famous wheel that has been made originally by Bananas, and yeah, I'm gonna tell you guys how to make it. Okay, let's get into it. Alright, so I'm gonna use this PNG to make this wheel. I'm gonna put a mega link in the description for this PNG that you can use it too. Okay, so I'm gonna make it look like this. Alright, I'm also gonna use 6 pictures because we have 6 parts here. Alright, so from here, follow what I do. Alright, after you mask them all, you don't need the PNG anymore, so you're going to delete that. Alright, and then we are going to pre-compose the pictures by Ctrl plus Shift plus C. And then you are going to go to layer style and add a stroke here. Alright, and then go to stroke, change the color to white, and make a size a little bigger. think this is good. Alright, so we just made the wheel. Okay, so for the arrow, we're going to use solids to make the arrow. Alright, I'm gonna make it hide. I'm gonna add a white solid. Okay, and then I'm gonna use the shape that I want. I'm gonna duplicate it. I'm gonna change its color to black. So I'm gonna use a pink solid. Alright, this is the arrow that I want to use. We're going to pre-compose them. I'm gonna call it arrow. Alright, so we can scale it down. Alright, so to change the anchor point, you have to press Y on your keyboard and change the anchor point. Okay, and then you have to put it here. Alright, so I want this to start rotating. Alright, so as you can see, this is what I made. But you have to play with the graphs, so I'm gonna use Flow. As I told you guys in the previous videos, this is a plugin which you can use instead of using graph editor, and it's much easier. So all you have to do is to select your keyframe and use the graph that you want. This is what it's going to look like. Also turn on the motion blur to make it look smoother. Alright, so for the background, I'm gonna use a solid layer. It doesn't matter what color it is. Then search for gradient, S-gradient, and then change its colors. I want to use pink. And then add another solid, use white. I'm gonna use wipe tiles. Alright, and then make it look like triangle. Make the frequency to 15. Alright, 5% to 98. And then Add angle setting. So I don't know. 87. Alright. Okay, I guess 98 is way too much. So I'm gonna change it to 96. Yeah. It's rendering slowly because it's in full resolution. Okay, so this is how the wheel looks like.